Regular exercise is also important for children to stay healthy. Regular exercise is important for everyone. Everyone from children to adults needs regular exercise. Learn how to get kids to exercise here. Learn about the benefits of regular exercise on children's bodies and minds. Adults and elderly people exercise according to their abilities. Regular exercise keeps the body healthy. But parents don't think about the importance of exercise for children just like adults. Exercising from an early age will benefit the child in the future and lead a healthy life. Exercising regularly not only improves physical development, but also increases confidence and concentration. Even the desire to learn something new is awakened in them. Participating in an exercise or activity strengthens children's muscles, as well as increases their strength. Exercise develops bones and muscles. This gradually increases the strength of the children, and they will acquire the strength to lift heavy objects according to their age. Weight is under control. Exercising from a young age keeps children's weight under control. Even later, children are vigilant about keeping their weight under control. Get rid of lifestyle diseases. As a result of living an active life, people are now suffering from various diseases. Hence, the emphasis is on exercise. In this case, if the children are used to exercise from the beginning, then the risk of disease is reduced in them. How to get children used to exercise? But the problem is that kids don't want to exercise easily. In this case, the question naturally arises, how to get them used to exercise? Here are some tips for getting kids to exercise. 1. For this, parents should also exercise with the children in the beginning. Do yoga or meditation with them for at least half an hour a day for the first month. Yoga and meditation are considered essential for peace of mind and better health. Many people often think that yoga is only done to make the body flexible, but that is not correct. The various asanas included in yoga have multifaceted benefits. Through this, you can reduce various types of diseases in the body, such as knee pain, leg pain, neck pain, female diseases, constipation, high blood pressure, and various serious diseases like diabetes. With the help of daily yoga, one can stay young and healthy for life. Also, there is no substitute for yoga to maintain proper weight balance.